Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm sharing 5 different centerpieces for spring, and this video, you guys, I'm using everything that I already had in hand. However, you could easily find these items that I'm using in the video at the stores. I hope you guys enjoyed. So style number 1, I just used this beautiful gold lantern that I had laying around from Burlington. I purchased this over the holiday for like $12, and I just added some white candles and some rose petals, and voila, you're done. Beautiful centerpiece for spring. So style number 2, or idea number 2, you guys, I fell in love with this white lantern the minute that I saw it at TJ Maxx, and it was only $16.99. So for this one, I styled this white bunny that I got at the Target dollar spot, and I started adding this beautiful flowers that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I just made this beautiful spring arrangement. For idea number 3, I'm using this bling tray. I'm adding a bunny that I got last year at TJ Maxx. I'm adding some bling eggs, and I'm also gonna add some flowers that I got at Michael's. So for the flowers, what I did, I took out the back of the flower, and I'm just using the petals, you know, like the top part of the flower. Also, you could leave this white like that, but I decided to add more pop of color, so I added some blush pink flowers as well. So idea number 4, you guys, is super simple. All I did here was add some flowers to this beautiful mirror base that I got at Burlington. And these flowers that you're seeing here are from TJ Maxx, and I paid $7.99. So idea number 5 is also an easy one. It's just for you guys to get an idea that you could use other items. This one is a pitcher, a water pitcher, and I'm using it as a flower base. And look how pretty it turned out. Guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what was your favorite style out of them 5. Also, I really hope I inspire you with this video to make your home beautiful this spring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.